how's it going? What's up, what's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my bathroom. I am looking at it and how did I let it get this way? I don't understand. I think because I know I was going to be minimalizing it that, hey, can I help you? She's probably looking at it too, being like, this is a disaster. I'm not wearing any makeup today. I'm going all natural. I put some mascara on, that is pretty much it. I'm finding when I'm doing these minimalizing jobs, I'm sweating up a storm. Yeah, I know. What's going on? This shelf I want to organize, I kind of just want to make it a decorative thing, but we shall see what I have going on. My sink. Like, what is this? What is this? Can you tell I'm a mom? So I need to clean and organize this. Over here I have Rock's towels and then my towel, which that's gonna be staying no matter what. But these ones I think I'm going to fold and find a spot for them, maybe on his shelf. And for the main event, my lovely under the sink storage area. I'm gonna see if I can find maybe like some shelves. I don't have those at the moment. We're gonna have to work with it. I do have some containers already, but I'm gonna be getting rid of this one. I might keep this one because I kind of want to keep it all white down here. So I'm hoping this is not going to be like an all-day project like the others have been so far. Rockaboo! I'm gonna start doing this project when Rock is in his next nap, which will be in about half an hour. We also have a doctor's appointment for him. He's getting his 4-month shots. His first set of shots were really tough. I found them to be extremely hard on me. But when I was there for his circumcision, because I was in the room, it wasn't tough at all. I don't know why. I think because I found it very fascinating on how they did it. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next update. Okay, baby went down for a nap and I am currently pumping right now as well. So I think I'm going to my cupboard first.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay if I make it home tonight.
Okay, she is empty. Minus my towel, and then I left some things in the shower that just doesn't need to come out. But yeah, that is empty in here. I'm gonna do a really quick clean and then we're gonna organize. Someone woke up. Hi, boo boo. Who's at the mirror? Who's at the mirror? He only slept for half an hour. So I didn't get any of my cleaning done. Mama has to wipe everything down so she can put everything back into the cupboards, baby. Boo boo, are you gonna work with Mama today? Please.
I hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay.
It is very hard to minimize with a baby, especially a 4-month-old. So far we have all this organized. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of this stuff. It's a mess, it's a mess. I never realized how much stuff I have until I take it out. Like, this is ridiculous.
Highest price to pay if I make it home tonight. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
think I got it all. I am going to try to do this outro really quick because Rock is on another level today. I don't know what's going on with him, but he is just like, yeah, high maintenance today. I do need to get some shelves for in the cupboard because that is just too much going on, claustrophobic in there. You know what I'm trying to say. And this is like pretty much my maternity stuff. Those are some makeup brushes I just have to clean and put away. This is all garbage pretty much, except for this. I just need to clean it. And the towels I just need to organize. I decided I'm not going to keep them behind the door, so don't mind this little part right here. We keep having problems with our flooring. Because this place was never built properly. Here is the reveal. Very limit to nothing in here, which I love. Shower is pretty straightforward. Nothing really different in here. Bathtub, yeah, that's just staying how it is. This sign is just gonna stay there. I like it there. I think it's really cute and it matches my bathroom. And then, yeah, very simple, nothing on there. I'm gonna try to keep it like this too. On the top here, I will probably get some candles. We shall see. And then I just keep the toilet paper right there, and then nothing on the counters except for my toothbrush and face wipes, Q-tips. Under here, it is a little bit better, but again, I need to get shelves. But other than that, everything is organized into its place. So anytime I go to wash my face, I'll just grab this container out and then put it back underneath, just so it keeps the clutter from on top of the sink. And this is just my makeup that I use every single day, and then my hair stuff, samples, more hair stuff, and then just miscellaneous goods. And behind the door there is nothing, which I'm just going to try to keep it that way. When I do give Rock his bath, this is where I will just hang his towel to dry. Then on here I am going to just get a regular towel and a face towel just to put on there just for like decorative reasons. But yes, that is pretty much it, and I'm very happy. I will be doing like a final episode for my series so that you'll be able to see the updated stuff, because I know I'm not gonna get those shelves by the time that this goes up. I'm going to end it here because, yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It does help out my little family.
Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet